Hearing Update, brought to you by Audiology of New Bern. My guest this morning is Georgianne Carrier. We're at Audiology of New Bern. Georgianne, good morning.
Good morning, Mike.
Let's talk about getting your hearing checked, something people don't think about, but there is a good time to do that. When is it?
Well, we've recommended for years the age 55. It's a point in our lives that we're often looking at our overall health and wellness. So 55 is a great time to come and get a free screening. We're going to spend that time with you and go over that hearing result, and you're going to have a good idea of where you're at.
And hearing's so important. It also is a sign of maybe some other problems.
It is. They've been doing a lot of research all over the world about memory concerns, dementia, balance concerns, and it's all tied to your hearing.
So dementia and other things could be being impacted by your hearing loss.
It certainly can, Mike. So it's something that it's a good gateway to come to see us. We can see what's happening, and then sometimes we'll even refer other types of physicians for further evaluation.
Georgianne, what do we need to do to make an appointment?
Well, at our offices, all of our employees are audiologists, so time spent will be with an audiologist who's highly trained to diagnose hearing. I recommend giving us a call or going to our website. It takes about an hour to hour and a half, and we're going to walk you right through the process. Again, it's free, so you have nothing to lose and all that information to gain from it.
So do loved ones ever make an appointment for another family member?
All the time. We have, children and spouses. They're the ones closest to the person, and we highly recommend coming with the person that you have any concerns about as well.
To the appointment. And let's tell them where Audiology of New Bern is located.
Sure. Audiology of New Bern is very easy to find. It's on Noose Boulevard across from the hospital.
Okay, across from the hospital. Give Audiology of New Bern a call. My guest today has been Georgianne Carrier.